My name is Nyamira County MCA Magombo Ward, leader of minority, Nyamira County Assembly. I want to have a very brief press statement. Now today, we have tabled the motion to impeach the Governor County of Nyamira, Mr. Amos Nyaribo. As the Constitution demands, we've done our bit as MCAs. We've tabled the motion before the County Assembly, and now the document that details all the grounds for the impeachment is a public document now. Any one of you can obtain a copy from the County Assembly. Any member of the public who wants to see what the grounds we've put in that document can have access and have a look at it. You interrogate it also. So we've done